What about the swans? Do they scare you?
No.
Oh god, they're beautiful.
Fish scare me.
Do we have money for fish food?
Right there.
Okay. Wow. Hi! Hi, little swan! Hi! Oh, look at me! Let's feed them. Oh, do you want to hold the camera? I'll get the money out and you can record the swan. Watch it. This way, swan, I'm getting your money. I mean, your food. Obviously, you don't want money.
We should get free food.
I don't think I have change. Oh. Let me guess I don't have money. I'm excited.
His head's underwater. His head's underwater.
He's like, where's my food? I'm tired of waiting.
I got him when their head is underwater.
I can't find my change.
I got some of the ducks when their head is underwater.
There's a penny. That's not gonna help. Aw, they're so cute.
They look really soft.
Oh, they do. They look kissable too. No, I don't think we have change. So if we go buy something and then come back later. What? Mom, please.
Perfect.
All I have is cash. That's not gonna work.
That's perfect.
Look what the swan is. Oh. Now we're gonna have to buy something. I have no change. I thought I did though. I thought I should have change. I put my comb. My back pocket.
There's my comb.
Wow. I don't have money.
Oh no!
Oh.
Your camera's dead.
It is?
About dead.
Oh. Well, I got batteries. I brought backup. We're gonna be making a lot of videos tonight. This is Dorney Park's last day.
Where's your head?
1st, 2009. I can't close my zipper. There it goes. Oh, listen here. Oh, I had change. Now I'm depressed. I don't have money. Oh.
He's itching his neck.
Was he itching?
His neck. Oh, what is that?
Oh.
He's huge.
In the picture. I got a picture of them. Or should we go find
Okay,
Oh, you wanna
yeah, I don't have any change on me, I don't think.
This one?